We're now going to look at specific modules in the standard library, beginning with the RE module, which stands for regular expressions. So let's flip back over to the standard library in the official documentation. As you may recall, the standard library really starts over here at text processing services. It's just these are different categories. And so what I've done for the rest of this module is I've gone through here one at a time, and we're going to look at different modules sort of in the order that they appear in the standard library. So I've picked selected modules that I think are important or popular and things that you might want to know about and highlighted them. So we're certainly not going to go through all of these. I've just decided to start here with RE. This is a very popular module for processing text, for matching patterns within text. We're just going to see one example and then move on to the next one. Okay, so I should say that regular expressions are an advanced topic. It's sort of their own program. They have their own programming language, almost their own syntax. We are definitely not going to learn that, but it is something to be aware of in the future. So we call them regexes for short, and a regex is simply something that matches patterns within text. So it tries to find some pattern within some text. So like I said, they do have their own syntax. I will not be covering it. And we're going to import the RE module. So for instance, I'm going to just show one example here. Let's take this string of information. So here's some text. Please inform John, his email and Penelope, her email, as well as Eleni, her email, that baseball practice is canceled for tomorrow. Okay, so if I want to extract some email information from here, I can use the RE module. So here is this syntax that you use for regular expressions. I'm not going to cover it. Basically, this just, I'll just do it very quickly. It says find the word before the at symbol, find the next word after the at symbol, and then finally find the last word after the dot. So it's going to extract each one of those each time it finds that pattern. And like this, we're going to pass the pattern along with the string to this find all function, and it will return this information. So it's just extracted the emails and the initial name of the email, the domain, and then the end part of the email as three separate pieces of data. So there is a full tutorial that Python provides. So this is actually nice. So if you want to learn regular expressions, this is you can actually use the official Python documentation and learn it right here. Of course, you can always click on the RE right here. This will give you an overview of the library itself. It won't really teach you regular expressions as much as is how to right here. So this is more of a tutorial. This is how to use the library. Okay, so this is the first module that we'll cover, the RE module, a very popular one for doing text processing and specifically matching patterns within text.